little sister?
Nathania.
Today we are going to show you how to do foot reflexology. Foot reflexology is nothing but foot massaging that we all can do by ourselves. This my mom had learned at Sri Yogiraj Vedatri Maharishi's yoga class. Foot reflexology calms down the central nervous system, promoting relaxation and many other benefits. Each foot is made up of 28 bones, 30 joints, more than 100 muscles, tendons and ligaments, and almost 15,000 nerve endings.
Oh, that is so much money.
Come, let's tone up our nerves. First, we must place the right foot on the left thigh. Keep the thumbs like this, and the other finger should go on the upper part of the foot. Let's massage our right toe, applying pressure evenly from the tip of the toe to the base. The right thumb must massage the second toe and the left thumb must massage the third toe. Massage the sole of the foot starting from the big toe across the foot to the little toe. Then again start from little below and keep massaging the same way in a crisscross manner. We shouldn't leave any place on our foot untouched. We should massage only with our thumb. Do not press any point too much if you feel any pain or tenderness while pressing. When we reach the arc, we should apply the pressure gently. That's the soft part of our foot. On the heel, we can apply maximum pressure. Now let's massage the side of the foot from top to bottom and then from bottom to top. The thumbs should press the top and the other fingers should be pressing the opposite side. Now let's massage around the ankle joints. While the thumbs massage around the inner ankle, the other four fingers should be massaging around the outer ankle. Now let's place the right palm on the inner side of the ankle and the left palm on the outer side of the ankle. Massage in clockwise direction 3 times and anti-clockwise direction 3 times. We should massage on both the sides at the same time. Hold the right leg at the ankle with your right hand and the toes by your left hand. Rotate the foot clockwise with your toes going downwards. We can do this 3 times. And then anti-clockwise. This time the toes of the foot going upwards. Next, a gentle massage till the knee. Now let's do the same thing on our left foot.
How did it feel massaging the feet? Did you all love it? If you love it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!